Hey you guys, I'm just chopping up some peanuts right here so I can add them to my couscous. I made the couscous earlier, has spice in it, and I already added some raisins to it to even out the taste, you know, kind of spicy and sweet. Right here I got cooking some yellow beans. Really they're white, but I always add a little curry, just a little bit of turmeric and lime pepper. And I love to put curry in my beans. Okay, in the oven, I decided to steam some eggplant, tomatoes, and mushrooms. Yes, this is a totally vegetarian dish. There is no meat involved. That was the goal here. So I just scooped a little bowl for a little taste test. I had some avocado left from earlier. I went ahead and scooped that on top. I don't like to waste any food in my kitchen. And the beans I made for another dish, but I just had to get a taste test. And oh my gosh, everything came out perfect and it was delicious. And if you guys want to try my recipes, just let me know if I left anything out. Leave me a comment. I will answer all questions. But this came out pretty good. It was very delicious. And I hope you try my recipe. Even if you're not vegetarian, just try it anyway. It's good to change up your meals sometimes. But hey, I just lost 13 pounds and I ain't trying to gain it back. So I'm going to maintain my weight loss, you guys. So I'm going to have a lot of meatless meals and that's okay with me. So anyway, I'm going to get out of here, finish eating my food. You guys, I love you. Love you much. Try my recipe. Let me know if you need me for anything. Bye, guys.